Hello, and welcome to BitBytes, the video series that will take you on an exciting journey of mobile DevOps with Bitrise. If you're new to the world of mobile CI/CD, don't worry, we've got you covered. In this BitByte, we'll be talking about what are rolling builds on Bitrise and how to set them up. Now that you have a few green builds and might be pushing changes more frequently, let's talk about rolling builds. With rolling builds, you can automatically cancel builds in your queues scheduled to run before the latest build. You'll want to enable this if you find yourself waiting for your builds to finish before starting the next one, or you have to abort on hold manual builds just to make space in the queue. To set this up, head to the app settings, select Builds, and navigate to Rolling Builds section. Now, select the types of builds you wish to abort when a new build is started with the toggle. When you turn on Enable for pull requests, this will cancel all previous builds still on hold for pull requests and all related pushes. Running builds will not be canceled unless running builds are aborted is also enabled. Finally, if you enable the running builds are aborted toggle, this will also auto-cancel running builds in addition to on-hold ones. Now that's it. Gone are the days of waiting for each build to finish or manually aborting them one by one. With Bitrise rolling builds, you can say hello to faster, more efficient builds and goodbye to the frustration of long queues. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and tune in to future episodes of BitBytes. We'd love to hear your feedback and suggestions for future topics, so please don't hesitate to reach out and join the community conversation at discuss.bitrise.io. Thanks again for watching and happy building.